Okay, I have to do some fast cutting, and so today I'm going to use my Creative Grids Stripology Ruler. This is a fabulous ruler. It's got notches every ½ inch, and I can use it in so many ways. It's got 60-degree lines and 45-degree lines, so we're going to get some things cut and get it done quickly. I have 12 fat quarters that I need to cut tonight for the class I'm teaching tomorrow. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take my fat quarter and I'm going to line it up according to the pattern and how it wanted me to fold it. So I'm going to fold it in half or maybe in thirds, kind of like this. I want to keep it on grain. I know I'm on grain because I'm not, I don't have a funky twist on this fold. At this point, I'm going to bring my ruler over and I'm going to line up. In fact, I'm going to line up this bottom line. Let me move it up so you can see this bottom line right here is going to go along the fold of my fabric, like this and like this. I want to make sure I have excess on my left-hand side so I can trim that square, make sure that I have that, so I'm looking at it and we're good. I have arrows for everywhere I need to cut. So I have a 6½ inch and 3½ inch strips that I need to cut out of my fat quarter. So I'm going to take my weight to help hold the ruler and I'm going to just start cutting. I'm going to put my blade in the 6½ right here and just push all the way up like that. And then I have already counted over 3½, so I don't have to think and I can just sit and cut and just cut like that. Move the ruler out of the way. There's scrap. Here's my strips. So I'll just stack them and keep them organized for my project. 2 piles, a 3½ and a 6½. Oh, I forgot to cut the one end. That never happens, does it? Let's fix that. Let's fix that. So I know that's got to go. I don't recommend doing it this way because that's the tricky way to do it. I have yet to do a quilt without having something happen. So here we go. For my class who will be watching this, you can see right off the bat, I did a little miscut and now we're getting everything lined back up. Okay, because I forgot to cut at the 0. There we go. I think everybody needs to know that we are not all perfect all the time, even though we want to think we are. So here's my 2 piles. I'll set those aside and I'm just going to keep cutting and get these all cut tonight in probably about 20 minutes.